Okay, so I got this at Costco the other day. Gonna try it out. It's like in 5 ounces, you get 5 carbs and 23 grams of protein. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's see how it tastes. Not bad. I think I like it. So I liked it. It was sweet, but not overly so. You can taste the ginger. And though I missed not being able to have this with some white rice, I liked it a lot. I might get it again. It was about $14. You get 6.5 servings for that $14, so it breaks down to about $2.15 per serving. And in that serving, you get 23 grams of protein and only 5 grams of carbs. Pretty good.